What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and it's that time again. We're gonna be doing a lot walk. Just kind of walking by all the new cars on the car lot, letting you see what's came in the last week. All right, guys, it's that time. Welcome back, guys. I appreciate y'all joining us today. We're going to be doing a lot walking around Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. If you haven't seen this channel before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My name's Nick. We're all family up here. We're going to walk past every car, give you an idea what the price is, the year. You can also see detailed pictures and information on all of the cars at maplemotors.com. We do have financing options available along with shipping. We'll start up here in the front and make our way around the lot. This right here is a 1970 El Camino. Got it sitting up here on the front row. I do have test drive videos on all of the cars, along with walk around videos that you can check out right here on YouTube. For example, this is a 1970 Coronet. All you have to type in is 1970 Coronet Maple Motors, and 2 videos will pop up of this car. Right next to that, you got a nice little Biscayne. It's a 65 model. This one is on hold. Hold means you got to give time for the person that's wanting to buy it a chance to get up here. A lot of people buy from out of state, get pre-approved through my finance companies, and ship the cars directly to their house. Nice little Impala sitting here for 20 grand, 20,900. It's got a 348 4-speed under the hood. 1960 model on that one. Next to that, 1964 Impala 4-speed, 27.9. Right beside that, a 1969 Nova 427 4-speed, 21.9. This one right here is gonna be really good. 1967 Nova. It's fast. I mean, you can see it's got the full roll cage in the car. It's gonna be a great test drive. We'll be doing that later on this week. She's a pretty car. Right beside that, a 2006 Mustang GT with like 100,000 miles on it, 6950. Sitting on the front row under the sign, 1964 Corvette. That one's 44.9. Just got this one in yesterday, actually Saturday, a 1981 Corvette for 12.9. Oh yeah, we made it down that row. About to head down this row behind us. We did have a ton of Mustangs here last week. I think there was at least 8 or 9 sitting in this row, and they're pretty much gone. We're down to 4. Well, 3 since that one sold. Those 2 are on hold. This one, convertible 3-speed, 25.9, 1966 model. So that one's still available. We got the 70s already sold, the old fastback. Pro Street car. Actually, we got money on it today, so it's sold as well. Another little Mustang sitting here, 14.9 on this one. This is a 1965. Right beside that, a 1975 Camaro, 9950. Next to that, we got a little 1972 C10 truck. They converted into a panel wagon for 14.9. It's all done on the inside. The floors, walls, carpet, everything. It's all done. You can check out the video on that. It's pretty custom. It does need some paint work. It's got some spot popping up. Very cool though. The oddball. I believe this is a Le Mans dressed up as a GTO. Just got it in. They're gonna have pricing on it here soon. We'll have it on the website. All the information and pricing will be listed there, so definitely check that out. But this is a 1964 Le Mans, I believe, dressed up as a GTO. All of our tickets that we have say GTO on it. I need to discuss that with them before I actually tell y'all that's what it is. So we're gonna make our way back up to the front here in just a second and cut down through that way. Let's hit up the back lot a little bit. Can't take you too far back. Got a lot of new stuff for next week back there already. Old Ranger's already on hold, 70 model, F100, 5.0, fuel injected motor. The 72 C10 pickup's $14,900. Right beside that, a 1969 flatbed GMC. That's pretty cool looking. We got $12,900 on that one. We've also got the 2000 model truck, 1500, $5,000 on it. So check that out for sure. The C10 in the back's already sold. I think the Jeep may come available. I don't know why that hasn't actually hit the website yet. We've already sold the Mustang convertible, and I believe this C10 here is already sold as well. We do have the custom one sitting right here with the flatbed on it, oversized wheels and tires, aftermarket interior for $17,900. It's a pretty truck, 1970 model. The Jeep is a personal ride. It's not actually available. We just put it under here because it started raining earlier and he didn't bring a top in. That's Jeff's personal ride. Hold and sold right here. These are already gone. It's cruising to the front here. Get back to some of the stuff that's available, like the Cadillac Coupe de Ville for $12,900. The old Ford Falcon 4-speed, $12,900. That's a 1963 model as well. Sweet little Mustang sitting here, 65 model, $33,900 on that one. It's got a good look to it. Barracuda, $12,900. That's a 1965 model right there. Never even got to the Nova. It's sold. The Style Master, I think it's a 48 model. Just got it in. We're gonna be doing a test drive on it this week as well. That's just got that look. That looks pretty cool. A Cameo pickup. These are very rare trucks. Fiberglass bed. They got a really good look to them. Of course, that's a 1955 model for $34,900. We have a big block 70 model Camaro here for $21,900. One right behind that, 1968 Camaro, $25,900. And I just had a girl from JJ Best come up and do an inspection on this yellow 67. Customer I've been talking to has already picked it up. JJ Best is one of the best finance companies we have on our site. We've been with them for years. But Lightstream and Collector Car Linen are just as good. That's some of the newest ones that we've been using. Just kind of giving you another glance around the lot. We got a little bit of a showroom. We finally finished. Got the concrete drying right here. It should be all ready to go by now, but probably let it sit another day. That's where we're gonna put the 30 to 40 plus cars. So yeah, we may step up a little bit and fill that showroom. We fill that showroom, we keep all the stuff that's under 20 out here, or under 30 out here on the lot, and have that for our customers to walk through. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Just kind of glancing over some of the other stuff as I talk to you. We have been in business over 37 years. We're all family. If you don't mind, share this video. It helps us out quite a bit. If you hit that subscribe button, you can see all of these videos. I have a section with just walk-arounds over the last year or 2 years that you can go back and watch, see some of the inventory that's turned over here. There's like 13 or 1400 videos online here of test drives, walk-arounds, and car lot walk-arounds, walking around the whole lot. I do mark everything that comes through sold when it's sold. I do that once a week, usually on Monday or Tuesday. I'll go back through and take off and add the new cars. I know some people are getting mad. They're like, oh, there's so many videos. Well, they're all on there sold, and then there's a section that's a playlist that I have, cars currently available at Maple Motors. Hopefully you got your volume up, because that is kind of critical. You can jump on there and it shows all the current vehicles that are available. That way you don't have to sift through all the old stuff. But a lot of people like sitting here watching these test drives, so it's nice to have that previous inventory option available. All right, guys, like I said, share this channel, hit that subscribe button, and visit maplemotors.com for more information. I really appreciate y'all watching. I got some test drives I need to be doing today. There was a Firebird in the middle of the lot there, getting ready to do a test drive video on. If you're interested in it, be looking for it, because I'm posting it today. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Have a good one.